51 trillion. That's the number of microplastic particles currently contaminating every ocean on Earth. More particles than there are stars in the Milky Way. And until very recently, we had no way to stop them. But a revolution is beginning. AI-powered nanobots are now hunting and destroying plastic. We ingest a credit card's worth of plastic every week. Can AI fix this? The answer is already unfolding. Microplastics are plastic fragments smaller than 5 millimeters, invisible to the naked eye. A single plastic bottle takes 450 years to fully degrade, splintering into thousands of microscopic pieces that enter rivers, oceans, and ultimately, the food chain. The idea of nanomachines was first theorized by physicist Richard Feynman back in 1959. 64 years later, in 2023, the world saw the first real-world ocean deployment of AI-guided nanobots, transforming a scientific dream into a functioning environmental tool. These bots work in 3 phases. First, embedded AI sensors detect the unique chemical signature of plastic particles in real time. Second, the bot physically captures the particle using magnetic or electrostatic force. Third, a catalytic reaction breaks the plastic down into water and carbon dioxide, completely eliminating it. Here are the facts that should be on every front page. Nanobots developed at UC San Diego can propel themselves at 600 micrometers per second using ultrasound energy. MIT's 2022 trial degraded 95% of test microplastics in under 4 hours. And in 2023, China deployed AI swarm bots that self-coordinate with zero human direction. 8 million tons of plastic enter our oceans every single year. AI nanobot swarms operating at scale can process millions of particles per hour. As of today, over 47 research programs across 6 continents are actively developing and testing ocean-deployed AI cleaning systems. The benefits are transformative. These systems operate fully autonomously. No ships, no crew, no ongoing fuel cost at scale. They target particles that traditional nets or filters physically cannot catch. And critically, the breakdown process produces no toxic byproducts, only water and carbon dioxide, leaving the ecosystem undisturbed. But the risks are real and must be stated clearly. The long-term effects of nanobots on marine ecosystems are still unknown. Current bots clean grams. The ocean holds millions of tons. And a single trial costs up to $8 million, making mass deployment economically out of reach for now. This is a genuine breakthrough, but an unfinished one. By 2027, the EU and US are projected to launch the first government-funded large-scale trials. By 2031, wave-powered nanobots could become fully self-sustaining. The United Nations has set a target of 70% measurable ocean microplastic reduction by 2045, and AI nanotechnology may be the only tool capable of getting us there. If AI nanobot efficiency follows the same doubling curve as computing power, we could clean the equivalent of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch within 15 years. The technology exists. The race is on. Do you think we'll make it in time? Drop your answer below and subscribe so you never miss a fact that matters.